industries. Also, we can use cottage
Yes.
industries.
So I really wanted to
I
know that what exactly Laghu is. So got
uh,
it. Thank
I
you.
would collaborate with small industry and handmade items.
हाँ.
And uh, I would मैम
हाँ?
शर्त रखना जैसे नहीं I would deal with them
Deal.
I would deal with them you would not sell anyone escape
You would not tell.
except
We
me
Okay,
you would
except
not
me.
rules
Okay.
and conditions. Ma'am,
I
on
would
rules and conditions.
keep some protocols. I would keep
Hmm.
some protocols. PROTOCOLS. Protocols.
I would
Adita ji
I
would be behave like dictator. Don't purchase things to anyone except me.
because I want to give discount to
You want
and
whole
customers.
soul power.
Absolutely right.
Uh,
Oh, so true.
मैं कहाँ थी? I would be
You were about that. I
You
would ask
would
them not to deal with anybody else. I would ask other country, other industries not to deal with anybody else.
uh, so he would sell only me and I would sell only my customer by my app. So that item would not sell by anyone. Customer sell nahi, customer buy purchase only from me. So I give more profit to my collaborate person and I give more discount to my customer.
Wow, nice, huh? We really liked your thinking. You have actually explained it so nicely, so briefly. That was so accurate and precise. It felt like that we are talking to a very perfect businessman. Uh, very well explained. Yes, next, Neeta, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. If I were owner of online shopping app, so I would make the rules of online shopping, rules and conditions, like return policy and return money without any problem. I would be collaborate with direct manufacturing like DMart. I would be change DMart on online platform because in Udaipur there is no DMart
Oh,
store.
okay.
Yes, and also I would be bring Saraswati market on online shopping
Oh my
because I want
God.
to go there, but I am not able to go and Delhi.
Sarojini Market has turned online, but still not completely. Few of the brokers are just using this platform, and that is not as well authentic, or you would get really uh, too bad quality. So it would be really better that
Hmm.
you visit and buy.
Yes, ma'am.
So the quality already is bad on Sarojini Nagar, not all, but you have to surf a lot there. That is a problem. You have to actually, you should be a really good shop. What do I say? You should be a better customer and you should have a very good power of looking into the things properly. So then only you would be able, you should have the knowledge about Sarojini Nagar. That is the problem. It do
Hmm.
have a very good sort of quality as well, but you have to surf a lot there.
Hmm.
And otherwise, the online platform that you're talking about, the Social Nagar, so they are some kind of brokers, but they are still not that good. They're just delivering the very bad quality. My friend has actually ordered, and I got to know from her. So, yeah. Okay, very well spoken. Huh? Fine. Now we'll be doing a few of the errors in nouns. Okay. Please note it down whatever I say because this is going to help you a lot. Fine. The first is the cattle is grazing in the field. Is the sentence correct?
The cattle
Is grazing in the field.
The kettles are.
Absolutely. Not cattle, even the cattle. Cattle
Sorry,
itself
ma'am.
is
Cattle. Yes,
right.
collective.
No problem. Yes. So it will be used as are here. Okay. Next. The police has arrested the thief. The police has arrested the thief.
Respid.
police have
Arrested.
arrested.
Arrested the thief.
Arrested.
Ma'am, we use police as a plural now, no?
Absolutely right. Absolutely right.
Police have arrested.
Police have.
Absolutely correct. Excellent. The police have arrested the thief. Very good. Where I was. Huh. So the nouns such as sheep, sheep, cattle, gentry, poultry, folk, people, police, cavalry, infantry are used as plural nouns and carry plural verbs with them. Okay. So I'll be sharing this to you so that you can read it out. Okay. Next. Okay. Which sentence is correct out of the both? Listen to both of the sentences carefully. He has pain in his tooth. First
He,
sentence. Second is he took pains to educate his children. I repeat. First is he has pain in his tooth. Next is he took pains to educate his children.
he took educate.
He took Pains, pains to educate his children.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
pen
He
से
took.
नहीं आएगा ना? He
first
took
sentence
pen.
he
He
has
took
pain in.
pen. He took pen.
He took आएगा.
He took pen.
But
नहीं, he
verb का
takes
second,
pen. He takes pen. No.
but I can use it took as well कि वो लेता था, अब नहीं लेता.
Okay,
So
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
think of it, no problem.
लेता
Take
था.
your time.
Ma'am, please repeat both
He took
sentences.
pen
Sure.
to educate.
हाँ.
मतलब
Hold
पेन
on.
में S नहीं लगेगा.
Okay. The first sentence is he has pain in his tooth. Okay. The next
हाँ.
is he took pains in to educate his children. Now both the sentences are correct. I would like to tell why. The first pain is used as your verb कि दर्द होना. ठीक है? The second is used as a noun pains which means doing great efforts. बहुत efforts लगाना. So PAINS is not wrong. उसका मतलब होता है कि बहुत ज्यादा efforts लगाना. कि उसने बहुत efforts लगाए थे अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए.
PAIN मतलब effort लगाना. और
PAINS plural वाला जो है that means efforts लगाना. And
effort लगाना.
PAIN is just pain होना,
दर्द.
दर्द होना. Okay. Next. He showered. SHOWERAD, मतलब शार करना, SHOWERED. He showered abuse on me. I repeat the sentence. He showered abuse on me. Okay, first sentence. Now, shall I speak up the next sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
He showered abuses on me.
Yes, ma'am.
He showered abuses on me. The sentence is saying just S is added in the next sentence in abuse. So he showered abuses on me. Now
Ma'am, you
tell
are
me.
not
Ma'am, I think the first sentence is wrong.
Hold for a second.
We often use na abuse language, abuse.
Right.
I never heard
you are not
in the
audible.
plural. In
Hold for a
plural.
second, Amita ji. Anita ji, am I not audible?
Yes, now. Okay.
Audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first abuse. तो पहले मैंने abuse simple use किया है ना? What did you say, Amita ji? What is your point?
Ma'am, my point is that क्योंकि we use, मतलब in my notion, we use abuse in a singular form only. मतलब in a OTT network platform, I think abuse language. I never saw that abuses.
Okay, fine.
That is why
Okay.
I told.
You might be right at a point because as much you have gathered the knowledge, you would be right there. Now, I would like to ask Neetu ji, do you have any idea about it or shall I tell?
No, ma'am, I don't have any idea.
Okay. So, first, abuse का मतलब you all know. कि जैसे गाली दे देना, ठीक है? That you people all know कि abuse. Now, next, if you're adding S in abuses, it means किसी के ऊपर श्राप डालना. Abuses.
Yeah.
Okay? That is one. So, both the sentences are correct.
Ma'am, I didn't listen second sentence because there is
The
some
second
kind of
sentence is same. The second sentence is same. बस S add हो जाएगा abuse में. तो उसकी वजह से difference आ जाएगा, meaning अलग हो जाएगा, ठीक है? First abuse का मतलब you know कि abuse देना, बुरी language use करना, ठीक है? Second वाला abuse here means when we are talking about, what did I say? हाँ, कि श्राप देना.
It's a very minute things, na?
Yes,
These are
they're
very minute things. I never notice.
Most these are not the things to be noticed because you people are not from the background of English basically. So these are very minor things and they get neglected. These are the things, and there are numerous, not even numerous, there are innumerable sort of nouns in which you would get confused and you might not have the knowledge about them. That what is the difference? But yes,
I
but you
never,
are really common.
I never
Like
saw.
homophones, ma'am. Like
I
Right.
homophones. Homophones
Absolutely
are
right.
also confused.
Yes. It's just that sometimes these are, she's very right, these are so minor that we neglect them. But then again, of course, I'll be sharing few of the sentences like that. But common should be aware by all of you. जो common होते हैं,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we are discussing that only. Okay. Next. That this table is made up of wood. This table is made up of wood. Write it down.
This is stable.
This table is made up of wood. Now, shall I speak up the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a there is a woods nearby. Woods nearby. Wood में s put करके just add s as a suffix and there is a woods nearby. Now tell me the difference or if it is correct or not.
Ma'am, I think both are right.
Both are correct. I also
correct.
think.
People agree.
This table is
People are
made up
like
of
this.
wood. It's correct. There is a woods
But are
near.
the meanings? But are the meanings same? Wood or woods का meaning same
No,
होता है?
no, ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Either in second sentence we मतलब we want to say that there are many woods. मतलब number of
Okay.
woods more than one.
Okay. Anyone else?
No, ma'am.
No,
Woods means एक छोटा जंगल.
Excellent. Yes. जब हम s add कर देते हैं woods में, so it means forest.
Oh.
That is the reason a लिखा है but woods आ रहा है. There is a woods. Generally plural के आगे हम a या an नहीं लगाते.
नहीं
As a
लगाते.
Yes, ma'am.
right? But we are using a here because woods means forest. It is not the plural of wood.
Hmm.
Okay. This is the reason I have asked everyone to join this class, 15 minutes class. This is very important. Okay, this is the revision of yesterday's one. ये कल वाले का revision है. Okay. The team are fighting like street boys. The team, write down. The team are fighting like street boys.
Like
Street boys. Street.
Hmm.
Street boys. Now we are using R with the team. Anita ji, do listen this
No,
very
ma'am.
carefully. Okay, Anita ji? आपको नहीं clear होगा because you have not understood this yesterday. But this is the revision of yesterday. So who would like to explain this? कि R correct है या नहीं? And if it is correct, then how? You have to explain it.
ma'am, I would like to explain.
Try.
There is use because team एक है.
You are right. कि टीम के साथ is use करते हैं, but this sentence is also not wrong. ये sentence भी गलत नहीं है. R आएगा,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
there is a reason. हाँ.
Yes,
Namita
ma'am,
ji would like
because
to explain.
yes, ma'am. Yesterday, ma'am explained that when we use this collective noun and that every member is different. मतलब team are fighting. मतलब they are fighting with each other, no? So team members are
Yes.
fighting. So that is why we use R.
हाँ. जब हम सेपरेटली उन सबको अलग कर देते हैं, इंडिविजुअल कर देते हैं, तब हम आर यूज. द टीम में तो बहुत सारे मेंबर्स हो गए, टीम में तो बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हो गए, लेकिन सब स्ट्रीट बॉयज की तरह लड़ रहे हैं, मतलब अलग अलग लड़ रहे हैं. एक साथ लड़ रहे होते तो इज आ जाता, बट अलग अलग मैं उन सबको इंडिविजुअलाइज कर रही हूँ. So this is the reason I have used R here.
When
Okay.
they are playing for country, so we should use is.
Now अभी मैं उनको इंडिविजुअलाइज कर दिया, सबको अलग अलग कर दी कि सब एक दूसरे से लड़ रहे हैं, स्ट्रीट बॉयज की तरह लड़. So I'm actually individualizing them. So we will use R there. Okay.
Depend on
if
sentence. है ना?
हाँ, Anita ji, if we want to say that team is fighting to opposite team, then we
Yes,
use is.
absolutely right.
Is.
Perfect.
और जब खुद ही लड़ रहे हैं आपस में.
Individually बनाना पड़ेगा. Okay. So, fine, all of you. Thank you so much. Please make me remind that I have to send the worksheets, and your homework is we have discussed 3 or 4 questions today. You have to write on one. Okay. जितने भी questions discuss किए हैं, उनमें से एक पे you have to write down, write up, and try not to exceed it more than 60 words, so that I can check also. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
See you.
you,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Bye.
You're welcome.